Hello, everybody. This is a quick video to anybody that is doing tons and tons of repetitive tasks on any of the platforms that have APIs built into them. So, a couple days ago, I would say like about three now, so it's probably like Tuesday-ish, I was basically spending in and around 2 to about 4 hours creating links in Stripe. So I'll show you here. So this is us. Like we sell lists on our site for $1, and we're basically spending so much time, me and the VA, just like going back and forth trying to create links. And if anybody has created pay links in Stripe, it's a terrible, terrible task. And I thought I would hope they'd make some sort of CSV process, but obviously not. You basically click like pay link, and then you have to go through and you have to add new product, and then you have to tick off all of these relevant options. But Stripe has an API, and this is just a message to anybody that does like that is doing this, because I said to myself, I'm non-technical. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm scared of this code, and I don't know how I'm supposed to write out some sort of like code base that's able to do this. But I'm telling you now, it took me about 30 minutes and I saved around 2 hours consistently every single time. Like probably more, like 2 to 3 hours every single time. So I quite literally, and again, obviously everybody has different use cases, but I just went into Cursor, and this is a beautiful software that it's just beautiful. And I'm looking to build out a simple script that's able to create uh, API. It's supposed to create AP. Well, I think it's supposed to say pay links within Stripe. From what I can tell, looking at the documentation, which I'm going to paste into you, we need to create a product, then create a price, and then we need to create the pay link, and then I need the pay link as an output. So what I need you to do is find out what this would look like and what inputs you would need from me. And here's the LLM markdown, so you can look into it. And I quite literally just went to the Stripe API, and I just copy and pasted their Stripe API. They have a web feature, but I just went into this and it just started building out the big beautiful code base that was able to just go through and create a Stripe link. And this is going to be a short video, but it like just to give you a demonstration. So this is like our thing, and I tested it just before this just so we could like reference it. But I just bring up a terminal, so I'm just gonna do this. Let's see. So I didn't really know what I was doing, and I just asked ChatGPT, or not ChatGPT, but I asked Cursor how to do this. So one, and then cd stripe, and then Python uh, tab. Okay. And all this does is it's a Stripe link creator. I think there's a CSV option where I could like upload a CSV and create a bunch, but I haven't gotten there yet. And I just got kind of excited because I built this out in like 30 minutes and it was amazing. So it's like product name, and we're just gonna do YT test. Product description is subscribe. Gotta have too much fun, man. We enter the price amount in cents. So the default is 100 because, of course, most things I do is 100 cents, which is the $1 links. But we'll just like for reference, we're gonna add like let's say 1,000. Default currency is USD. Quantity, let's say one. And then we have the correct billing address. So this is to collect certain bits of information. Allow promotional code. So yes. And then we enter like a redirect URL. So we're gonna do mtos.com/leads. Yeah. And basically what this will do is it will just go through and shoot, enter, oh, the URL was wrong. Oh, wonderful. I think it's because we weren't putting the HTTP at the beginning. So we're going to do YT test again. So it created the product, which is kind of annoying. So now I have to go delete those products, but um, subscribe. And we're gonna enter through all this. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to grab the actual link from our site so it doesn't do that again. And if this breaks, I'm going to show you what I did with Google Drive, but basically you put in the full, I guess the full website URL. Never really had this issue before. And then it'll create a buy Stripe link. And then if I come into the payment links here, you'll see it. So if I just reload, hopefully it doesn't take a decade. Like sometimes it does, because my wonderful internet connection is not so wonderful. And my wonderful laptop is getting replaced by a Mac soon, so I'm excited for that. So I don't take forever to do certain aspects on my laptop. So, okay, it's loading up now, and let's see. I think it's because I'm running like 4 different operations on the laptop. And what you'll notice is there's a byte called YT test. So guys, I'm gonna deactivate this so nobody accidentally goes to pay, which I don't think they will. But yeah, we're gonna deactivate this. But then we have a YT test link, and this is less about the fact that, oh hey, you're creating an automation that's able to go into Stripe and create an API. This actually isn't useful because I will never need this in my entire life. The more like the bigger thought process is like, how do I start automating stuff inside of the business? And again, this is completely off base and what I like, usually do, but I just think it's interesting because like this has saved me so much time, this one single automation that I'm just able to run inside of my laptop. So if you don't figure out stuff like this, I do think you're just gonna like flail around and die at some point. Not like literally, but like if someone is able to do this with zero knowledge of coding, like I just ask Cursor on how to do certain things, it just tells me how to do it. So yes, that is the video, and it's a short, sweet one, but I just hope you guys are you enjoyed it. I'll see you now. Bye.